Closing real estate transactions used to be a stressful, labor-intensive job. The Rift Title app changes all that, turning every real estate transaction into a streamlined, transparent, and pleasant experience. With the app, you become truly integrated with your title company through your smart device. You can now complete every step of the real estate process on your couch, in your pajamas if you want to, with the app. You can generate contracts, amendments, and terminations right on the app. Other apps can't do this. Other great features include mobile deposit of earnest money, online transaction tracking, easy access to critical dates, and document cloud storage. You can communicate directly with the title professional anytime you need to with just the click of a button. And web chat makes it possible to completely close a transaction remotely. The future of real estate business transactions is here, and it's the Rift Title app. Visit www.rifttitle.com to learn more and download the app today.